Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Winner's Weapon. So today we are going to learn about 16 by 16 magic square. Before filling 16 by 16 magic square, we should know as usual a universal magic constant n into n square plus 1 by 2. In place of n, we have to substitute 16 and solve, and we will get 2056. It will be the magic constant. That means when we add all the boxes in all rows and all columns and all diagonals, we will get 2056 as a single constant, is called a magic constant. This is our required magic square, and before filling the same, we have to make it into 4 equal parts. And again, each part is divided into 2 equal parts in this way, and again each 8 by 8 magic square is divided into 4 equal parts, and finally we will get 16 equal parts. And afterwards, after doing the same, and we have to fill all these 256 boxes with 1 to 256 numbers in ascending order from top left to right bottom. From top left to right bottom, but we should not fill the boxes which are having a line. So, but we should start from 1 onwards. 1 we should fill 1 here, but it has a line, that is why we should not fill 1 here. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we should fill here, but there are lines, that's why we should not fill 8 and 9 here. And finally you can go in this way, and again come back 17 to 32, and again come back 33 to 48, and keep on filling the same way. And finally we have to fill 256 here, but here is a line. This is one step. And next step, and fill all the boxes which are having lines with different color, means red color. And now here we have to fill all these boxes in descending order, left top to right bottom, or we can fill ascending order from right bottom to left top with 1 to 256. 1 we should fill here, 1, but wherever the lines are there, fill the numbers 1. Actually we have to fill 2 here, but already it is occupied by 255, and here we have to fill 3, but it is already occupied by 254. That is why we should not fill all these numbers, and again all these boxes, and come to this box 8 and 9, and again till 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 here, and come back to 17, 18 till 256 you should fill. And afterwards, remove all these lines and decolor all the numbers. That means make it into uniform color, into a single color. This is the way we have to do. And next, and there are some exchanges will be taken place, and near about 7 to 8 exchanges, and the only exchange will taken place along the straight line, that means a vertical line. Only one exchange will be taken place, and remaining all exchanges will be taken place by using only horizontal line. Okay, whatever it is we will see. And this is the boxes are shaded portions we should exchange. See, this yellow colored shaded box should be exchanged by, and with green shaded portion, as usual this green portion exchanged by yellow portion. But in the mirror image, when we fold all 16 by 16 magic square along this line, this middle line, we can get a mirror image. That means this 32, 48, 64, 80 will come here. That means the first column, this 16th column will become first column, and this first column will become 16th, and this is the 15th column will become second column, and second column will become 15th column, in this way. But consider here, the thing you should consider here is, don't touch these numbers which are in these diagonals or which are not shaded. we should not exchange these numbers, only we should exchange these shaded portions itself. Now see, we exchanged this 17, 33, 49, 65 will come here. That means this whole block came here in mirror image shape, came here. That means 17, 33, 49, 65 will come here. 2, 34, 50, 66 will come here in this way, and this portion will go here. That means 32, 48, 64, 80 will come here. And finally, after exchanging those two blocks, this is the final portion we find. Okay, these two portions are exchanged, and now we can decolorize. We can make it into uniform color, a single color. So this we got. The first exchange is over, and hereafter every exchange will taken place only horizontally. That means via this line itself. We should not. We need not to use this line again. This box will exchanged by this green, and green will be exchanged by yellow. A mirror exchange. There is also a mirror exchange. That means 13, 12, 11, 10 will come to the bottom, and these two, this 116, 117, 118, 119 will occupy this place. 132, 133, 134, 135 and vice versa. Okay, see, you can find. So they are, the first block is exchanged here, and again this will come here in this way. Alright, and now we can decolor. We can make it into uniform color. We can uniform the color. That's all. Two exchanges finished. And now the third exchange. That means top line to bottom line. These four numbers exchanged by these four numbers and vice versa. Okay, see, and the bottom line will come here, and the top line will came to bottom. Right, now we make the color into uniform, and now the exchange number 4, second row and 15th row, these 6 numbers will exchange by these 6 numbers and vice versa. That's all. Uniform the color. And now next exchange, and now for these 3 rows, exchange these columns. Here also same mirror exchange itself. That means 33 will occupy the place of 224 and vice versa. 49 will occupy the place of 208 and vice versa. This is the way. And we can decolor. That means again we can uniform the box with the same color. And finally what we have to do, these two numbers 88 and 89 will exchange by 168 and 169 respectively. That's all. We got the final magic square, and we can also remove these two vertical and horizontal lines also. And finally this is the required magic square of 16 by 16. I believe it is the world's first magic square of 16 by 16 solved by Winner's Weapon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. I am yours, Lammatha Srinivas Rao. Thanks once again. Thank you so much for watching.